In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit due dates for cards in Trello. Whether you're managing a big project or just keeping track of your daily to-do list, updating due dates is essential for staying on top of your tasks. So, let's break down the process into simple steps so you can make the most out of Trello's functionality for your scheduling needs. First, you'll want to open Trello on your preferred device and navigate to the board that contains the card you need to update. Once you've located your card, simply click on it to open up the card details. In the card details menu, you'll see an option labeled Dates. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a dialog box that allows you to add or modify the due date. Here, you're not just limited to setting a due date, you also have the option to add a start date if that suits your project management style. It can be quite helpful to designate a start date for tasks that span over an extended period, giving you a clearer timeline. After selecting your desired dates, remember to click Save before exiting the dialog box to ensure your changes are applied. With these steps, you successfully updated the due date on your card. This method is straightforward, but there might be times when you're looking to move a bit faster, and that's where a handy shortcut comes in. If you prefer to keep things efficient, Trello offers a quicker way to edit due dates. Instead of opening the card fully, you can simply hover your mouse over the card, needing a due date adjustment. Once your mouse is hovering, hit the D key on your keyboard. This action immediately brings up that same dialog box we just worked with, bypassing a few steps and saving you a bit of time. It's a great trick to incorporate into your workflow, especially when working through multiple cards at a time. With these methods in your toolkit, updating due dates on Trello becomes a breeze. Whether you choose the traditional method or opt for that quick shortcut, you'll find your task management becomes even more efficient. And that sums it up. By following these simple steps, you can easily keep your Trello boards organized and ensure you're always on track with your projects. Make sure to experiment with both methods to see which one suits your workflow best, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and until next time, happy organizing with Trello.